This butter chicken was made with no oil or butter, and it has 400 calories with 50 grams of protein per serving. And it is way better than what you get in restaurants. You can't even tell it has no oil. This is so good. I am making 12 servings of butter chicken today as part of a meal prep, but I do have a 4 serving recipe that I'll be sharing with you. And before you comment and tell me, are you cooking for a village? Just try making it and you will understand how addicting it is. So let's get started. We're gonna start by roughly chopping our tomatoes and putting everything into a big pot to cook the gravy in. Next, let's chop up our onions roughly and put it in the pot. For whole spices, I'm adding green cardamom, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, black pepper, clove, all into the pot. Some ginger garlic paste and cashews, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, and a little bit of vinegar. Now add some water, just enough to cover it. We are going to let this simmer on low to medium flame for about 25 minutes. Till then, let's marinate our chicken. Now these are cube chicken breast. I like them to be smaller in size, but you can chop it bigger. And if you want to make a vegetarian version, use 200 grams of low-fat paneer instead of 200 grams of chicken, and you can follow the same exact recipe. Add in Greek yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and some salt. Mix this well. Ideally, you should marinate it for at least 30 minutes or overnight, but I am a little impatient, so I'm baking this right away. So put a baking sheet on the pan and lay your chicken not too close so it has some air around it. You can also cook this on a pan with some brush of oil or air fried. I bake it at 230 degrees for 12 minutes. While the chicken is baking, let's check on our gravy. You want the tomatoes and garlic to get soft like this. So the gravy is done. I'm gonna let it cool down before we put it in the blender and blend it into a very smooth paste. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it here. So this chicken is done. I'm just gonna take this off, put it in a plate, and we're gonna add a second batch of chicken in here and bake it as well. So our gravy has completely cooled down. I'm just gonna get a blender and transfer all of this into it. I'm just going to transfer the gravy into this kadhai before we do our second batch of blending. Let's do our second batch now, and we just have to repeat the process again. Don't add any watery part from the gravy. We just want to kind of pick up and just strain off the vegetables and just make a blended paste of that. This way you end up saving space in the blender. You don't have to do as many, you have to keep blending it over and over. You can just strain and add the water directly to the gravy. So this is full again. I'm just gonna give this a nice blend. See? Still no friend. Move. Nobody's here. I'm telling you. So our gravy is done. The chicken is cooked. Now all we have to do is mix this and add some kasuri methi. So I'm just gonna do that very quickly. This is so good.